Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the unit ready and safe. Plug it into a grounded outlet and verify the voltage matches the nameplate. Once connected, check oil and intake filters. Low oil or clogged air paths reduce life and performance, so top up or clean as needed. Make sure the tank drain valve is closed, then attach the hose and regulator securely. Turn the power switch on briefly to prime the pump. Listen for smooth startup and steady pressure rise before moving on. Now you set working pressure and maintain efficient operation. Slowly adjust the regulator to your target PSI and confirm the gauge climbs smoothly. Once at set point, use the tool briefly to check airflow and listen for any strain. If the compressor cycles too frequently, reduce tool demand or increase receiver capacity. Make sure fittings are tight and tools are lubricated where required. Keep hoses straight and away from hot surfaces. If the motor runs hot, pause and allow cooling, then reevaluate load. To finish, shut off the compressor, bleed pressure from the regulator and tools, then open the tank drain to expel moisture. This prevents corrosion and tool damage. After cooling, inspect for leaks, recheck oil level, and note any unusual noises that indicate wear. If the unit won't start or delivers low pressure, first check the circuit breaker and power, then verify intake filter cleanliness and belt tension if applicable. These checks solve most issues. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.